YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back for some quick fix videos for you guys on Pentair's Great White Suction Side Pool Cleaner. We're going to dive in and show you guys how to tear this thing apart. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Pentair's Creepy Crawly Great White Suction Side Pool Cleaner. As you guys can see, it's torn down in pieces in front of me. If you guys want to know how we got down to this part, make sure you guys check out the playlist in the links in the description for you guys, so that way you guys can see how to take it apart from the outside in. For today's video, you don't necessarily need to take off everything to the point where we are right now, but I do want to show you guys how to remove and reinstall the two brushes that are located on the bottom. And I know you might be like, well, two brushes, there's three brushes. So there's actually two brushes here that are fixed and do not move. And then there is a third brush that has a spring activation from the top that you can actually kind of pull down on, and it'll actually pull down. That is the lift brush. So the whole point of that brush is to make sure that this cleaner does not get stuck to the pool floor or gets stuck on something like a drain or a toy that may have made it to the bottom. So it is a different take apart. There are more parts to that. These two fixed ones on the bottom are a little bit more simple to fix, so you don't necessarily need to tear everything apart. You can actually take this out, flip it upside down, and replace these brushes. They are sold as a 2-pack, so when you do one, obviously do the other. But really simple. What you're looking at are these two main brushes located in the middle of the cleaner. You've got one on one side and one right next to that spring. So obviously you want to make sure you're grabbing the right brush. Try to lift up on it. If the brush doesn't move, then obviously you're on the right brush. And you guys will notice that they do have these pressure locked kind of plastic flanges on the side. So if it's a brand new cleaner like it is for me, you may need to use some kind of screwdriver to get some leverage. But if you kind of just use some finger strength, you can actually push the tabs out and lift up from the bristles at the same time and pull out the brushes. So we'll go ahead and do that to the second one. And so in order to get access in here to the service tab that they have that is part of the frame, you will need to remove this brush as well as all the internals, but that'll be another video for you guys on how to actually get to this tab. This tab's meant to make sure that the gears won't actually go backwards. It helps keeps the cleaner in a forward motion. So that is something important that you guys want to make sure is attached to the actual frame, but that'll be a different video for you guys. So real simple, once you guys actually push both those tabs out, as you guys can see, you have both brushes here. Really simple. Buy them in a 2-pack. When you're ready to install your new ones, simply flip the cleaner back over. Again, it's directional, so they actually have molding to fit properly in each specific spot. So all you're going to do is go ahead and slide it back in, and it may take a little finesse in order to be able to get it in, just like you had to get it out, just because of that clip. I tend to start on this side away from the clip and then push down to the point where you kind of hear the pop. So then that way you know that tabs actually came over and locked the brush in. And then again, on the other side, you're just going to go ahead, push it down in there until you get that nice snap noise, and then that way you know it's attached to the frame and it's good to go. So just want to show you guys how to get access to these, replace them really quick. Basic maintenance for this cleaner to make sure that it scrubs the bottom of the pool floor very efficiently for you guys. So make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button. We got a ton more videos coming your way on this cleaner as well as all other cleaners out there. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.